Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, remember that the link to purchase the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This innovative upgrade kit is designed specifically for the Hyte Y70 gaming PC case, bringing a fresh wave of digital immersion with its impressive 14.9-inch IPS touchscreen display. With a resolution of 2.5K, 682 by 2560, and a vibrant 178 pixels per inch, this screen offers crisp and clear visuals that truly elevate the aesthetic and functionality of your PC setup. The display is 43 brighter than its predecessor, making it easy to see in various lighting conditions, while the 10-point capacitive touch capability allows for smooth, responsive interaction. One of the standout features of the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite display is its extensive customization options. Users can personalize their screen with a wide variety of themes, widgets, and interactive elements, transforming the front panel into a dynamic control center or an eye-catching centerpiece. Whether you want real-time system stats, media controls, or simply a stylish display, this upgrade unlocks a new level of interactivity and convenience. Pros include the large, high-resolution display that significantly enhances visual appeal, the responsive multi-touch functionality, and the broad customization possibilities that cater to both gamers and PC enthusiasts. Additionally, the strawberry milk, pink, color variant adds a unique and trendy aesthetic that stands out from typical PC case accessories. On the downside, the 60 Hz refresh rate, while adequate for most uses, might not satisfy users looking for ultra-smooth motion typically found in high-end gaming displays. Also, installation requires some technical know-how, so beginners might need to follow detailed guides or seek help. Overall, the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit is a fantastic addition for those wanting to personalize their gaming rig with a blend of style and functionality. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out now to enhance your PC experience.